solution. Let us be part of solution. Not to the pollution. Not to the pollution. So we are the problem solvers. We are the problem solvers. We will make the world. We will make the world happy. Happy. Happy children. Happy children. Happiness. Happiness.
A bandage which can be used.
Location.
We'll be needing some wires, hook wires. This you all have it in your labs. Along with that, we are going to use some tools to complete that this suction pipe. So in case of schools are not having this kind of a suction pipe with it, something like this. So what you can do is you can simply use a normal paper. I'll show you how to do it. So in case if you have a paper, you are
I am so happy that my tinkers, my minties are really doing wonderful tinkering on this mega tinkering day, 12th August 2025 at Deepthi English Medium School, Cover. My tinkers are really tinkering very nice, making their vacuum cleaner.
Anyone who is still missing out, I'll give you 10 more seconds to arrange all the things so that we can begin this activity. Doing our activity. So the very first step what we want to do. सबसे पहला step जो हम करने वाले हैं, it is going to be preparing the DIY vacuum cleaner structure, body of the vacuum cleaner. So for that we need a body. हम पहला step जो करने वाले हैं वो है हमारा DIY vacuum cleaner की body बनाना. So you can use a 750 ml bottle. जो भी आपके पास अवेलेबल है आप वो यूज कर सकते हो, even a 1 liter one. But just make sure that you are following the instructions so that you can make it properly. आप कोई सी भी बॉटल यूज कर सकते हैं, but जिस स्टेप्स आप मेरे साथ फॉलो करेंगे तो it will be easy to complete the bottle. Okay. Starting the first step. Now we want to cut this bottle into two halves. I will be cutting the front part separately and I will be cutting the back part separately. If you all remember, my vacuum cleaner was having two parts, 1 and 2, right? It was having 3 parts, but we are going to cut the bottle into 2 parts so that we can have this structure. So you will all need a cutter. Please use the cutters carefully and we will simply slide in the bottle. You will use the cutter like this and you are going to make cuts on the bottle. So you will use the front part by cutting it vertically and the back part. So again, you all can do it with me. So we might take a little time to do this. So keep going everyone, side by side with me. I am also doing it and you keep doing it. I will just have a look at the end once I'm done and then we get your notes. Whether you are इस तरीके से कर सकते हैं. Then we can proceed to the next part. Okay, let's move. This is the main part of our vacuum cleaner. This is the one who is going to work and make our vacuum cleaner work properly in the manner which we do. हम अपना सबसे important part करने वाले हैं हमारे इस activity का. हमने structure ready कर दिया, which is the front and back part of your body. अब हमें करना है इसकी circuit routine. So we need to make this circuit. How are we going to make this circuit? You will use your motor. You will use your brains. You are going to use the battery and the snap wires. And with that, we will be using hook wires to make some connections. I hope this is enough. Is it okay? डायरेक्शन में हमें कनेक्ट करना है जिससे कि वो मूव कर पाए और हमारे बाथरूम क्लीनर So what I will do, I will connect one terminal of the battery with the connector. I hope you all can see this. In terminal unit, I have just slided my wire inside it and I have used it a little bit because I'm going to check my first. I'm not going to fix it right now. I'm going to just check it. I hope you will be able to see on the other terminal. I am going to touch this red wire so that we can see in which direction the motor is moving. अब हमने ब्लैक वाली वायर को एक टर्मिनल पे फिक्स कर लिया है और अब हम रेड वाली वायर को दूसरे टर्मिनल पे फिक्स कर ले रहे हैं और फिर हम चेक करेंगे कि हमारी मोटर की मूवमेंट किस डायरेक्शन में हो रही है. बिफोर प्रोसीडिंग फर्दर आई विल जस्ट टेल यू हमें हमारी डायरेक्शन क्लॉकवाइज होनी चाहिए. हमारी
मनस्वी
क्लॉकवाइज होनी चाहिए तभी वो हमारे वैक्यूम क्लीनर की तरह काम करेगा. If I am looking like this, clockwise only, this direction or this direction, what do you think? It is going to be this direction. So we'll just quickly have a look whether it is working in the right direction or not. I think it is the opposite way, right? So we are going to fix it in the opposite way. Now, you don't have to do anything, you will just reverse the terminal. और रोशनी करना, आप terminals change करने के बाद आपको connect करेंगे. नेगेटिव को अब दूसरे वाले टर्मिनल से कनेक्ट करके पॉजिटिव को दूसरे वाले से. अब हमारी ये क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में यू ऑल कैन सी दैट. So अब इस सर्किट को कंप्लीट करने के लिए हमें चाहिए था स्विच. हमने अपनी वायर और इसको कनेक्ट कर दिया एक बार स्विच की टर्मिनल के साथ. सिंपली यूज insulation tape between the one half soldered iron. I will use for you how to use it.
Hello, this is Srinivas RMOC AP from my assigned school, Deepthi English Medium School, East Godavari AP. I am so happy today. My tinkers are tinkering, making a vacuum cleaner on this mega tinkering day. I am so happy to show you all my tinkers. They are all very much busy. Okay, so I am also happy to see all of them. So you are observing something. What is that you are observing?
It is moving back.
Okay, so direction of the motor. That's good. That's good. Whether it is taking the air in or pushing air out.
In taking
Okay.
air in.
So vacuum cleaner is meant for what? Pushing the air out or taking the air in?
Taking air in.
Very good, very good. So keep doing, keep doing. So vacuum cleaner is to create the negative pressure. Vacuum. That's why it is called vacuum cleaner.
Very nice. We can see a lot of hot
దీన్ని కొద్దిగా కట్
Oh, my dear thinkers, this is the Deepthi English Medium School cover. So from here, my thinkers have made their vacuum cleaner on this mega tinkering day, 12th August 2025. Now they are going to demonstrate in the presence of our sister. So start showing. See, you all will see how they have created the negative pressure, and then they are cleaning with their own vacuum cleaner. This is called tinkering. They did the required tinkering. They have, taken all the dust particles using their own tinkered vacuum cleaner. See how many of them have come out, my dear. You see how many of them have come out. So this is how they have created the vacuum, and they are making Make in India, Made in India, Skill India from School India. Why import when India can export? That is what is the message of my thinkers, right? Happy tinkering. Keep innovating. This girl and this girl, the combination, they both made it. I have taken I have captured the best moments of today's your tinkering.
Can we have a
I'm going to
look at
publish
this now that how
at
much
our
it is
national
we have
platform.
prepared?
Okay.
We just quickly
And
have a
also,
look at it.
there are two boys.
This is
This
what
boy
you need-
and
you
one
all
more
need to
boy.
prepare.
This boy. These two also did wonderful tinkering from there. One boy from there and other boy from here, right? I haven't seen that's a hands-on skill at any of our local schools. This is a God gift. That kind of acquired, you all acquired that kind of skills in making. You understood? నాకు చాలా ఆనందమైన విషయం ఏంటంటే మీరు ఎవరిని బ్లేమ్ చేయలేదు, ఏ మెటీరియల్ని బ్లేమ్ చేయలేదు. దట్ ఈస్ అది ఉంది ఇది లేదని అనుకోకుండా యూ మేనేజ్ ద షో. దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ ఈస్ మోర్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. కంప్లీటింగ్ ద ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఎట్ ఆల్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. Managing ourselves is more important. So that tomorrow we can complete, if not today. You understand? So now, sister, you can come here and stand here somewhere. All of you say, happy tinkering. Happy tinkering. Keep innovating. Keep innovating. Why import? Why import? When India can export. When India can export. Make in India. Make in India. Made in India.
Made in India.
Skill India.
Skill India.
From School India.
From School India.
Innovating India.
Innovating India.
Towards productive India.
Towards productive India.
Make in India.
Make in India.
Made in India.
Made in India.
Happy tinkering.
Happy tinkering.
Keep innovating.
Keep innovating.
Happy.
Happy.
Mega tinkering day.
Mega tinkering day.
August 12th.
August 12,
August 2025.
August 2025.
Thank you, Atal Innovation Mission.
Thank you, Atal Innovation.
Thank you, sister.
Thank you, sister.
Thank you, English Medium School.
Deepthi English Medium School. Bengaluru.
Over. East Godavari State.
East Godavari
Andhra
District.
Pradesh.
Andhra Pradesh.
Happy tinkering.
Happy tinkering.
Keep innovating.
Keep innovating.
Jai Kisan.
Jai Kisan.
Jai Jawan.
Jai Jawan.
Jai Bharat.
Jai Bharat.
मेरा भारत महान.
मेरा